Our roofers in the Davidsonville, Maryland area and the 21035 zip code know about the intricate roofs that can exist inside of Davidsonville. And we've solved many of those tough issues for homes and businesses in Davidsonville. Those steep roofs are not a problem for us with our experience level and industry connections. Our crews are built and trained to provide trusted results for many types of roofing. So if you're looking for a traditional roof with asphalt shingles or something more eccentric with cedar, slate, copper, or any type of metal roofing in Davidsonville, we are your trusted roofers. We travel up and down Route 424 just like many of you do and see many of the great looking homes and quality roofs and seamless gutters. It's a great investment in your own home, and we understand that protecting that investment with a quality roof and seamless gutters can help to solve many issues. Check all across the internet for some of our great reviews. Reviews like you'll find on Yelp.com, where we have almost 5 out of 5-star reviews. We appreciate everyone and the time it took to write the reviews. We appreciate the hard work of all of our guys and all of the training that goes into it. You can also see our awards on Howls and a lot of our reviews on here as well. You can go to porch.com and see our 5-star rating and our many reviews in here as well. You can also come to google.com and check our Google reviews, where we have a 4.9 stars out of 5 and more than 70 reviews. Feel free to read through those and see how many of your neighbors and friends have chosen Wells Home Improvements and written us glowing 5-star reviews. So whether you're looking for roofing, siding, or gutters, contact us at Wells Home Improvements. Provide a job that is done well. Call for a free estimate at 443-871-1202 or come to our website at wellshomeimprovements.net.